I decided to make a SaaS application while working a full-time job. I decided to make a SaaS startup while working a full-time job as a software engineer in Oklahoma City. Right now, the startup is in the beginning stages. I just launched it. Now I'm going to document my journey into developing it, tell you my tech stack, and tell you about some of the avenues I plan on going in terms of marketing and advertising the company. So this is the website. As you can see, this is the landing page, and the features is only available if you sign up or log in, and I want you guys to check it out for yourself. But check out the website for what it is right now. Right now, I have several ways I plan on marketing the startup. First way is through Reddit. Reddit is an extremely high converting marketing tactic that many software as a service applications tend to take. The second advertising route I plan on going is through YouTube. The third, through my research of where my audience tend to stay, is through Instagram and LinkedIn. So this would be a mixture of paid and um, and stealth marketing posts that I will post myself for Collavue. In addition to that, I tend to set goals for myself. And one of my goals is to have at least 100 users by the end of the month. So right now it's November the 16th, I think. So by the end of November, I plan on having 100 users. I also launched it on Product Hunt. It didn't do that good, but I think it's mostly due to Product Hunt not being a good place to launch applications anymore. So that's one of the goals. So yeah. So this is the brand LinkedIn. So as you can see, I'm gaining some traffic from the LinkedIn brand posts. And one thing I plan on doing is over the next 2 weeks, I plan on DMing a lot of companies and small CEOs to see if they will have any use for what my product is offering. I'm currently building a list, and that's just through searching and looking through LinkedIn to see small CEOs that's both in my connections and that is near me, so we can meet in person, and also those who are trying to build up their own startup, which I think, which is who I believe would be the biggest people that might benefit from what I'm offering. For the tech stack, I will tell you what my tech stack is, because I think a lot of people are interested in some things and things like that, especially other software developers who tend to watch my videos. So the tech stack I use is Firebase. For my backend, I use Google's Cloud Run for running tasks that will needs to be triggered. So triggers basically is what Cloud Run is used for. Then I use Google's data storage to store images and larger files. The front end is made using Node.js and React. It's made using React. I also use Sentry to track any errors I might have within within my code, and it sends like a report back to me. I use Mailjet for my emails and sending it out emails, and I use I think that's about it. I use Lucid React and Tailwind CSS for styling the company, and that's about it. I also use Jira because that's how I work full time as a software engineer, and it helps me stay focused and understand what I need to do. Like, I have a whole roadmap of how I want to develop the company and want to develop the product. So Jira, I have a whole sprint board, and just what I plan on doing. I have product increments. That's what I want to do developer wise, and I'll say that's about it on the more technical side of things. And that's like the goal. End goal is to eventually have over 1,000 followers. I think this is a niche space, even though you got Upfluence, Social Cats, and all of these other brands. I don't think anyone is doing it like we're doing it, because we are free. You don't need a subscription to run it or to use it. B, I think our interface is easier to use. And C, I think this is becoming a growing part of companies' marketing strategy. So I think this is the perfect time to seize that opportunity. And that's about it. If you are interested in seeing more of this, subscribe, like, and comment. And if you want any sort of career advice, DM me on LinkedIn or follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and I'll be happy to speak with some of you, or follow me on TikTok. Thank you so much. Subscribe and like and comment, and I will see you whenever I see you again. I do plan on releasing updates momentarily about the progress Collavue is having. Thank you.